Hey, Chicago landlords, are you looking to have your property manager, or maybe you're a self-manager, looking to learn more about managing your property? Well, you're in the right place. I'm Mark Ainley, founder, partner of GC Realty Development, co-host of Chicago's #1 real estate investment podcast, Straight Up Chicago Investor. And we have leased over 5,000 units, we've managed over 6,000 doors, and we've completed over 60,000 work orders in our 23 years of business. Super proud, 23 years, that's huge for us. And we are sometimes feel like we're in the maintenance business versus the property management business. And a large part of, if you're self-managing or you're a landlord yourself, or maybe you're working with a property manager already, you're seeing a large part of what actually has to be accounted for or done on a daily basis is handling maintenance. And maintenance comes in different forms. It might be getting the place ready for the tenant to move in. It might be tenant requests of things breaking. It might be Section 8 needing inspections done and work done in order to pass Section 8. It might be rental licenses, having to get work done to pass the miscellaneous village ordinances. It might be capital expenditures of roofs and hot water heaters and appliances and all those things that just has to be done on a regular basis. Or it might be just landscaping or general upkeep of the exterior of the property. So maintenance comes in so many forms, which ultimately makes it feel like maintenance is the job of a property manager. And that's a large part of what we do here at GC Realty is it's a lot of time, especially if you don't have the resources of people, of knowing who to call. We built up this entire network of our internal team and some of the vendors that we work with to be able to get the right pricing and to be able to service the issue quickly. So, there's a large indicator that overall tenant satisfaction when it comes to maintenance and repairs and quality of the unit has a large play on if the tenant's going to renew or not. And our goal ultimately at the end of the day is to get your tenant to renew. If you ever make it out to our Roseville office here, I have written on the different boards, do not let tenants move out. But if tenants aren't happy, if we're not maintaining the place, if we're not quick enough to maintain the place, hot water heaters go out. If we don't get people their hot water back by the end of the day, they're gonna be pissed and they're gonna be unhappy. And some places, you might have a quality single family home in the burbs. You might only have 1 or 2 work orders a year. And those 1 or 2 work orders, if you drop the ball or you're slow to respond, that's all they remember. That's all they really have to judge you off of. So maintenance is such a huge part. And we have the in-house maintenance team, and a lot of that's to be able to control pricing and be able to control the experience for the tenant. So love to talk to you more about our process. Love to talk to you more about what you're looking to do here for your property. Inquire, and I look forward to talking to you.